Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will be making a drone from scratch. Testing the hardware took a lot of time, especially NRF L01 transceiver module. I connected the jumper cables according to the circuit diagram, but it did not work. After some research and testing, I found out that NRF SPI pins are too sensitive, so the wires connecting them to the board should be as short as possible. After fixing this by using shorter wires, it started working properly. Download the RF24 and Token MPU6050 libraries. Open the RF24 Getting Started example for testing the NRF24 L01 transceiver module. If you get this error, try checking your connections and try making the wire smaller. The MPU6050 that I had showed wrong values, so it is better to buy it from a reputable supplier. Connect the SDA pin to A4 and SCL pin to A5 and the VCC to the 3.3 volts and ground to ground. Select the Get All Data example from MPU Token library. After uploading the code, open the serial monitor and check the values. I didn't have any problems with the transistors. For the drone body, make a cross with two sticks. Clamp a piece of metal to add strength to the sticks. I painted it black and added motor mounts. For the transmitter, cut the board in the desired shape and place all the components on it. Solder the wires according to the circuit diagram given in the description. Make sure the distance from the RF module and the nano is to the least. Now for the receiver, solder the wires carefully and check if the connections are proper. Just as the transmitter, put the distance from the Arduino Pro Mini and NRF to the minimum. Use lighter components to reduce the weight as this board goes onto the drone. Solder a capacitor to the NRF to reduce the noise. Solder the wires according to the circuit diagram shown before. Here I used IRFZ44N transistor. I would recommend using an SMD transistor like SI2302 to reduce the weight even more. This wire is connected to the transistor output pin and positive pin. These pins get connected to the motor. Now stick the receiver to the drone body and solder the motor wires. While making the project, I had to go through many Arduino Pro Mini boards and nRF241L01 transceivers as they got due to mistakes that short-circuited the board. I would recommend checking the connections as many times as possible to reduce the chance of. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the second part, where I'll show all the modifications and explain the code in detail.